Welcome to the world of Python programming. In this quick guide, we will explore the basics of Python programming to help you start your coding journey. Python is a popular and versatile programming language. Known for its simplicity and readability, it is widely used for web development, scientific computing, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced programmer, Python has something to offer for everyone. To begin, let's talk about variables. In Python, you can store information in variables that have names. These names can be anything you choose and act as containers for your data. To assign a value to a variable, you simply use the equal sign. For example, if you want to store the number 10 in a variable called x, you would write x or 10. Python also provides various data types, including integers, whole numbers, floating point numbers, decimals, strings, text, and booleans, true or false. You can perform operations on these data types, such as arithmetic calculations on numbers or concatenation of strings. One powerful feature of Python is its ability to make decisions using conditional statements. With if-else statements, you can execute different blocks of code based on specific conditions. For instance, you can check if a number is greater than 5 and execute different code accordingly. Loops are another essential concept in Python programming. They allow you to repeat a block of code multiple times. The for loop is used when you know the number of iterations in advance, while the while loop continues. Python offers an extensive range of built-in functions and modules that simplify programming tasks. These functions are predefined blocks of code that perform specific actions. For example, the print function is used to display output to the console, while the len1 function calculates the length of a string. With this basic understanding of Python, you're ready to dive deeper into the world of programming. Practice writing code, explore libraries, and challenge yourself with coding problems. Remember, practice makes perfect. Python programming is a fantastic skill to have, opening up countless opportunities for both personal and professional projects. So let's get started and discover the endless possibilities that Python offers.